AndrewT is back. You know, I always start these webisodes with something funny or cute or smart to say, and nothing's coming to mind right now. So with that being said, let's just get right into the episode. Hi everybody, I'm AndrewT, your host as always for AndrewT. And on today's webisode, we have here the Arlo Pro. And today we're gonna do the unboxing, and sometime in the near future, we'll be doing a review. Today, we have a very unique box here for the unboxing. And as always, with all these unboxings, we have to first figure out how the heck to unbox it first. But it looks fairly simple. We got tape right here on the side. One. And tape here on this side. Two. Now, I'm just assuming that we have to lift the box up. No, I'd be wrong. See? So, let us take a look at what we have here. Oh, see, look, there we go. Okay, you know what? I was under the impression that underneath this would be the tower. I thought that was what I was touching, but apparently I'm not, because this actually comes with more than just 3 cameras. It's another tower somewhere inside this boxing that's going to connect, well, at least what our cameras are connected to. Okay. So we have box 1 and box 2. Box 1 seems to be a little bit heavier, and taking them out is at the bottom, so this is your base right here. So I'm assuming that is the box that I mentioned. So you know what? Let's get to the box first, and then we'll get to our cameras, because the cameras look like they're gonna be a little bit more complicated. All right, so we open our box up like so. What's always the first thing I say in every video that we do an unboxing for? Literature, literature, and more literature. So as always, we have our literature. We have what looks to be a rechargeable battery, which actually I'm doing this unboxing without looking at any reviews first. I wanted to figure this one out myself, and I'm glad to see these come with rechargeable batteries, because that was one of my worries for these cameras, if they did or didn't. So we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take them out of the plastic as we go along too. And 4, what looks to be rechargeable Arlo batteries. We only have 3 cameras, so this kind of making me a little bit curious, because this might actually be a 4-camera setup. Why they don't display the 4th one, I don't know, but it also may be for our hub right here too, so let's find out. So we have our Arlo hub, of course. And this is what's going to be what connects our cameras together. Ethernet cable, of course, it connects to our router. Stickers! Everybody's trying to be like Apple now. Give you stickers with their product. I kind of like it though, because in some cases you can let the world know, look, hey, look, I'm a card-carrying member of this product right here, so if you do something in my household, I can watch you. I see. Alright, that's box 1, empty. Now we have box 2 right here. Same thing. Flap, open it up. And I'm not, okay, so we have our mount right here for the camera. I think if we're gonna, okay, cool, so I'm liking it so far. Mount is made that you can set it up upside down, on the wall, however you choose to set it up. But we have our mount, at least one mount for the camera. USB to micro cable. I'm gonna see what that's for. I'm guessing to charge up the cameras. AC adapter. This is gonna be probably for our Arlo router right here, and we're just gonna call it a router because I don't know the basic name for it right now. And then we have 2 more mounts for the drill. Well, 2 more mounts for your drill holes with 3 Arlo magnetic mounts that you can move your camera anywhere. And you can see the back right here. Okay, so I'm guessing we get 4 batteries, one either for the router or just to have a spare battery for our cameras, which I love that they give us batteries. This looks like the most challenging part of the unboxing process, so let's try to figure this out. Okay. There we go. Just pull this part off like so. And we take. Oh, no wonder the cameras don't move around. They are very well screwed in. Literally. So we're gonna take our tool that we keep handy. And it looks like it's not working. Oh, whoa, okay. Well, something we just discovered about these Arlo cameras, they have a very strong magnet on the back, which is magnetizing my tool right here. Making it just a little bit harder to unscrew these cameras. Okay, camera 1. All right, there goes camera 2 and camera 3. Okay, so that's all 3 cameras and our router, as they call it, the Arlo base station. Not for nothing, I've seen the Pro 2 Arlo base station. It looks a little bit bigger. I'm guessing its signal goes longer and it's probably better somehow since they call it the Part 2. Just saying. All right, but anyway, we're gonna start putting the batteries in our camera and setting them up. Let's see. Okay, there's a button right here. Let me open it right up. Let's do 1 and see what happens. And then after that, we're gonna take these baby to go charge because I'm pretty sure these batteries are not at 100. And I'd rather set the cameras up with 100. Okay, there's no power button. Literally, I just put the battery in and that's it. Oh, there's a little right here on the camera besides our mounting screw port holder or whatever you want to call it, the mount. We have a little plug out for the micro connector. So I'm assuming that's how we charge our cameras. But let's see for a second. Because I want to charge these batteries without the camera, but looks like that's not doable. So they just give us an extra battery to come with the setup and no way to charge that battery unless our Arlo camera batteries die quick. But you know, lithium-ion batteries, sometimes they act funny, can explode. Okay, so we're gonna plug our buddy up right now. Oh, okay, so we have some kind of response from the camera. The light right here just turned on. I mean, it turned back off as quick as it turned on, but I'm guessing it's looking for the base station. So we're gonna start plugging everything in and see what happens. All right, but for the most part, guys, we're gonna end this webisode right now because we're gonna try this out. And after we hook this all up, we're gonna come back with the review video and tell you a little bit about the Arlo Pro 1. Thank you for watching this webisode of AT Tech. I'm your host as always, AndrewT, and again, we will be back with the review videos as far as it goes. Stay tuned for more webisodes, and I'm glad you guys are still here with us. Again, AndrewT, and we're out. AT Tech. Deuces.